Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the volume on your JBL Tuner 3. So, as you guys can see, here we have the little screen. Now, this screen basically will tell us if we are connected, but after you click the plus button right here, we can adjust the volume. We can hold it, we can tap it, and whenever we reach the max volume, we will hear a beep. So this is what we can do. This is the first method of changing it. Now it works the same with an iPhone and with an Android. So whenever you change the volume while playing something here, it will also change the volume on the speaker. So once you're not playing anything, then basically it won't change. So you guys can even, let me quickly turn on the phone. Whenever you're trying and changing the volume right here, as you guys can see, it won't change. So now here is the max. Now I'll lower it and it will lower itself here. But once you start playing something, then it also works on the iPhone and on an Android. So this is how you guys can change the volume. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.